I just love that. Like the new wellness range. I do love a little chunky trainer in Primark. I absolutely love it. For summer, like look at those. He's really gone all out with this collection for my holiday to Mexico. Like how it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's just going to be a new in Primark. I'm literally so excited, like I can't even believe it. Like I love a new in Primark. So I decided I was going to do these new in Primark videos and a Primark haul every single month so we can see what's new in. So this one I'm the most excited for because I feel like March, the beginning of spring, I feel like it's where all the new bits are going to come in and I'm just so excited. If you want to see what's new in Primark, come around with me, have a little look around the shop then, definitely keep on watching. I'm definitely going to post a new in Primark and a haul every single month, so if you don't want to miss those, then definitely stick around, join the little family by subscribing, and let's just fast forward to Primark because I just can't wait. So here we are. So this is how like the section looks when you come in. It's all like blacks, nudes. It's literally so nice as soon as you come in. I love that. I really like these trousers. I feel like they'd be really nice for like a holiday because they're really floaty. So nice. And they have this little kind of cord set with it. How nice is that? Also just spotted this that I've actually been on the lookout for because I've seen it in so many people's videos. So nice. I feel like it's the perfect spring like transition coat. I also feel like this section is a real vibe because you've got this bag. How cute is that for the beach? This little black top and these shorts. I feel like that'd be such a nice beach outfit. I also think these are really nice because they're like square toe. They're like little slide-ons. Love those. They've got like those jackets with like a little tie around the waist. Also just seen this section, it's literally a complete vibe because it has the nice little gold pieces. I really like that little set. And then they've also got the range by Kim Kardashian's hairdresser. So they've got hair oil, styling spray, what else have they got? Hairspray. How cute. I feel like the packaging on that looks so high end. It's like a body glow and I feel like that reminds me of the Fenty thing. I really think that'd be good for summer. Wow, look at that. So we're just going into the bit where like the main clothes are. I'm really excited to see what they've got. Literally love this top. It's one of those ones that's kind of like has a stretchy across here. I really like that. Literally need to pick that up. Oh, they also have it in this like peachy colour, which is so nice. How nice would that be for summer? Love it. So I just wanted to mention this because I literally live in these in summer. Like white shirts with like these little brown buttons. They're so cute. And I think I got mine from Misguided. They have this one in Primark. I absolutely love it. And it's only £13. So we're just in the denim section now. I honestly love these jeans. I've never seen white vintage mum ones in Primark. How cute are they? Absolutely love those. Sorry, I just had to show these white jeans with this bag. Like how unreal would that look? I just love that. What a spring vibe. Look at the colours in this section. So nice. I feel like I'm obsessed with like light green and white at the minute. So cute. So I've actually just found these, which are the straight leg ones in white, and I like these more because they've got like the little kind of roughed edge and they are literally beautiful. They've got like all the sort of tan stitching on them. How nice are they? So I'm just going to look for a size in those. I feel like I might get a 10 because I find a lot of things like jeans I need to get a bigger size. Into the very best section, the loungewear, of course, as always. I'm just obsessed with that. How cute is that? It's got little fluffy clouds on it. Wow, that is the cutest thing ever. I love that. How is it only £9? Like what? I actually might pick that up. How cute. I honestly think these are so cute. They're like long bottoms, like wide ones. How the colours on that? Wow. Love it. Wow, I literally love these shorts. I feel like that has literally every single spring colour in it. Wow, I'm going to pick those at 100%. Wow. Oh, and they've got little white ones. How cute are these shorts? How much even are they? Let's have a look. £3 these shorts are. Amazing. This set is really cute. If anyone's ever felt this kind of thing in Primark, there's some pyjamas that feel like amazing. This set is quite cute as well. It's got like a little shorts and grey like fluffy top. I feel like I live in stuff like this. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow. How much is that? No, the shorts are £5 and the top is £8. How good is that? £13. Just spotted the new wellness range. I've been seeing this on Instagram. Look how cute it looks. They've got the little white short set, recycled fabric. I've seen it on Instagram. And then this, look at this set. Wow. Honestly obsessed with that. Look at it, the colour. And they've got like a little dressing gown. And then they've got this bit where they've got like body cream. They've got daily moisturiser, oil cleanser, face cloth. I've seen people use these face cloths and apparently they're really good. Got a little pink set of their little shorts. Oh, they've got these, got that set in a really nice colour in like a long one. Oh, this would also be one of those things that's really good for holiday. Like even though it's in the pyjama section, you could definitely put that over a bikini. How cute. Love this range. It looks honestly so aesthetic, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're going into the shoe section. The last time I came into Primark, the shoe section was unbelievable, so let's hope that it's good this time. I feel like these trainers are really nice. They're quite chunky. I do love a little chunky trainer. Could never come into Primark and not pick up a pair of flip-flops. So they literally had these last year, and Ellie Darby had them in her video. Don't know why there's the loudest sneeze ever in the background, but how cute are they? So they're £8, and literally all of her photos when she wore them were unbelievable, so I definitely need to pick some up. They've got them in black as well, which I feel would match a few more outfits. I just think these are so nice for summer. I feel like these shoes are so nice for summer. Like, look at those. Wow, I love those. How much are they? £14. They're so nice. They've also got them in black. I feel like I'm feeling the nude more, but just because I'm more of a nude person. But the black is so nice as well. I feel like it would add a little pop of leopard to your life if you had a black outfit. These are so cute. They're like the little heels that they have in sage green, but like little flats. How cute are they? I also think these are so nice. Like, they're literally look so comfy. I feel like an airport outfit or something with those would be so good. So I've showed this in one of my videos before, but I still love it when I've came back in. So I'm gonna have to get it. When you keep thinking about something, I feel like that's the time to get it. And also this baby blue top. How cute is that? I just love baby blue and like all the sort of spring colours right now. So I picked up this little bag last time I came in, and they've also got it now in like a bright coral, which is really cute for summer. I also think this is really nice, like quite smart. I feel like that would look really good with like jeans or like a nude or like white trousers. That'd be good. This, I absolutely love it. You can literally wear it as like a top on your bag, over your hair. I feel like I'd be most likely to wear it like on my hair, or maybe as like a little top in the beach. How cute is that pattern though? And then also this bag, I'm really liking that as well. How much is that? Oh, it's got bags inside it. £12. Really cute. So we're now going to go into the beauty and accessory section, one of my faves. Okay, so I'm going to start with this, which I'm the most excited about, the celebrity hair thing. So I've already showed a few of the products by the door, but they've got some more as well. So they've got conditioner, they've got repair, is that shampoo? Yeah, shampoo. They've also got a hair mask, like I reckon that'd be really good. And then they've got the nicest makeup bag. I actually literally love this, sorry. Wow, look at that, just how cool. And then they've also got this little volume shampoo down there as well. It looks so nice. And then this is the other side. They've literally got like hair scrunchies, bobbles, hair clips. Look how cool. Sleep masks, brush. Like, he's really gone all out with this collection. It looks so good. And then this is more of their wellness range, which I showed a second ago. So they've got a few more products over here. They've got, I showed the face wash already. They've got like a stone roller body scrub. What else have they got? Cleansers. Then there's also the little bamboo body puff. Wow, that feels so nice. Wow. And then they've got one of these little hair things, which I always wear, the faves. Back in my favourite face mask section. I just can never get enough of the Primark face masks. So we're picking up a plumping one and an avocado one. Love that. I always think this is a really good idea, like an argan oil treatment mask. I think I'm going to get that. That must be really nice for your hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been seeing this on everyone's like stories and stuff. I'm gonna grab some of these like whitening strips. They're only £4 and I keep seeing them and I need them. They've also got like toothpaste kits. I don't know, I just feel like I need to get this to try them out. How cute is this? And then, does anyone see that Aisha and Zelia got these to go to Australia? How cute. Oh wow, this is just getting me so excited for holidays. Look at this section. Wow. I think I'm getting a bit carried away. You can't even see where you're going with this. I'm sorry. Who designed this? Like, what? Who designed that? It's cute from under here, but then it looks like a sombrero of it. I'm so confused. Now in the good old jewellery section, seeing what we can find. This would be really cute for my holiday to Mexico. Like, how nice would that look with a little beach picture? Love it. Sorry, literally in love with these shorts. I don't know how much they are, because for some reason, does anyone see when Primark do this? They don't put the price on the label. Like, what? Has any of them got a price on? They're £6. They are so cool. Love those. And they've also got like little Brooklyn ones. I feel like these look so like Brandy Melville. I would definitely pick them up from Brandy Melville. Pay like £15 for them, and they're like £6. Wow. I also feel like these joggers that they've got in are really in, because I feel like their washed out colours are really in right now. These are so nice and they're £10. So we are now in the beachwear section. Just gonna have a little scan round and see what they've got. I feel like when Primark get nice bits in the beach stuff, you have to pick it up straight away, because I feel like it just goes. Literally blown away by these. Look at these beach trousers. Like, how nice are those? They're so flowy. I love those. They're £12. Oh, this as well. I feel like this is so nice for over a bikini. Absolutely love that. Oh my gosh, now I've got baby blue. I can't cope. I actually can't cope. So cute. Wow, this swim costume. Wow, I love that. That with the belt round, and then imagine this. Sorry, I've got to take it to it. Just imagining that under that, like, wow, the colours. I can't. Up to the homeware section. So we're now in the home section. Very excited. One of my favourite sections. And also, I feel like now I live on my own, I actually appreciate all the cleaning bits as well. Like, I would never once in my life appreciate like a sponge, but now I do. This basket is so cute. Wow. Love that. £3.50. So cute. Also, always love these hangers. They're like my favourite thing ever. What else have they got in the home section? I love these little baskets as well. I also feel like this candle is just one of the cutest things I've ever seen. And this one's a coconut. This one's a lemon. Wow, cute. I also think these are really cute. These little indoor lights. Also, this section looks very cute. I actually love these. I feel like these are really nice for like the sofa. Wow, this feels really nice as well. I'm back with 2 huge bags. I don't know what happens to me in Primark. I get in there and I just go crazy. I actually feel like Primark was so good today. I say it every single time. I just feel like Primark does get better every single time I go in there. But yeah, so like I said at the beginning of the haul, every single month I'm going to do a new in Primark and a big haul just so we can see what's new in. So I'm going to film the haul right now and that will be up on Thursday. So definitely stick around, join the little family by subscribing if you don't want to miss that. And all the other hauls I'm going to do. I literally can't wait. I feel like 2020 is going to be good because just hauls of Primark every single month. I mean, what could be better? So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I post videos every single Thursday and Sunday. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!